You don't need to be worried about your 4,000 watch hours anymore. With this application, I got my main YouTube channel monetized just in 2 weeks. After trying all what I'll be sharing with you guys in today's video, and you haven't get monetized in less than 2 weeks or in 3 weeks, then you should subscribe to my channel. But you have to make sure you follow what I'll be sharing with you in today's video. There is one site called Restream. You can attach your YouTube and go live there. Sincerely speaking, if you need subscribers and watch hours, this is going to be best for you. Before I will tell you guys how to use it, I'm going to tell you the advantages of this site and disadvantages of it. But I'm going to assure you that I use this to monetize my main channel. I'm going to put the name of my channel on the description. Then you can go to my live stream and see the live stream there. You can know that I'm not lying about this. All right, let's first talk about the advantages of it. This site will let you have tons of subscribers. I mean legit, not robots. It's going to let you have organic subscribers, and it's going to give you 4,000 watch hour faster. On one video, you can have 300 watch hours. I'm not doing this video for you to watch my video. I'm doing this video because this is the truth. Yeah, it's going to get you more subscribers and your watch hours. Now let's talk about the disadvantages of this platform. The disadvantages of this site is that your normal subscribers you got from your live stream may not watch your long videos. They might not watch your long videos. So you have to build your audience by you being consistency. That is, as you're trying to go live streaming, make sure you are doing your videos. Make sure you are uploading your long time videos so that your good audience are going to come from your long videos. The second disadvantages of it is you can get strike. You can get YouTube strike or copyright only if you use other people's video. If you take other people's video from any social media platform and you try to re-edit it and use it for your live stream, you can get strike or copyright. This is going to help you. Do not use other people's video for your live stream on this site. Do not upload any other people's video on your YouTube, basically entirely. Be it normal video, be it short video. Don't try to upload the video you didn't create by yourself. Don't try it. It will be better for you to film your video on vertical line, that on portrait line, like Facebook side, that is 9:16 ratio. So you have to film your video like that, then you can use it for your live stream. All right, let's go straight to it. I'm going to show you guys how to use it. All right, guys, we are going to go to our Google, or you can go to your Chrome and type on Restream.io. You're going to click on it. It's going to ask you for your email. That is, you need to put your YouTube email. Then it will take you straight to the site. Scroll it down, click on any Enter Studio. Everything has Enter Studio. Just click on it. Then it will take you straight to the site. If you follow the steps that I'm showing you in this video, you will see changes on your channel. So it's going to bring your channel name. Click on Enter Studio. Then it will take us straight to where we have to work on. This is what the site look like. The next step is for us to change the ratio of the site because we need a vertical line for our video. You don't need this, but this. We are going to change the ratio, by the way. All right, let's go on and click on the mic because you don't want your voice to be showing while on live video. For us to upload our video, you go on and click on these three dots. It will take you to where you have to upload your video. Click on the video, then it will take you to upload video. You click on it, it will take you straight to your gallery where you can take any video that you feel like you want to stream. After uploading your video, click on the video. It will return you back to the site where you have to work on. Now we need to change this ratio. We don't want that black thing. You click on the normal ratio, that is your vertical line. Now let's move forward. Click on your video. You can reduce the noise of your video. Just tap on it, swipe it front or back. It depends on how you want to reduce it. Now to make your video continue streaming without stopping, click on the loop video. Let your loop video be marked this way, then you are good to go. This is the shape for music. I won't advise anybody to use music there because you can get copyright. Then this is the mark of you replying to your audience while you are streaming. You can tap on it and just give them some answer. As for me, I love to just say, "Hi, welcome back to my live stream." Just ask them some random questions. Then the next step is for us to go live. Click on go live. It will take you straight to your description, to your title. It will ask you to title your video. You can give your video any title at all. Then under description, I love to put on live stream hashtag restream. Then you click on the next. Then you are live. As simple as that. If you have any doubts or any question, let me know in the comment section. Then I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.